Okay, so in this video, we're going to be talking about writing equations for circles in standard form when given two endpoints of a diameter. So in this question here, I'm just going to draw a rough sketch. We have a point at 0, 18, which is somewhere like up there, and some point at 6, 6. So let's say it's like here, and it forms a circle. This is a terribly drawn circle, but we do have a circle here, something like that. Now, to find out the center of our circle, we're going to have to determine our midpoint. So our midpoint is going to be equal to adding our x values together, dividing by 2, and adding our y values together and dividing by 2. So I will start with 0 plus 6 divided by 2, and then 18 plus 6 and dividing that by 2. That will tell me I have 6 divided by 2, comma, 24 divided by 2. So my center is going to be at the point 3, comma, 12. So that is my center. Now, I'm going to go ahead and plug this into our standard form of a circle equation. Just for reference, that would be x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So we only know our center point right here. So let's go ahead and plug that in. Of x minus 3 squared plus y minus 12. Y minus 12 squared equals r squared. So the last thing we need to do to go ahead and determine our whole entire equation is our r squared. And we're going to do that by plugging in one of our endpoints of our circle, because again, these points lie on our circle. I'll do 0, 18 because that includes a 0. So let's do 0 for our x, minus 3 squared plus y, which is 18, minus 12 squared equals r squared. That will give me negative 3 squared plus 6 squared equals r squared. 3 squared is negative 3 squared, is 9. 6 squared is 36 equals r squared. So my r squared is going to be equal to 45. Now, I don't have to take the square root of anything to get my r because, again, in our circle equation, we need r squared. So my final answer for this question would be our general form of x minus 3, because 3 is our center, squared plus y minus 12 squared equals our r squared, which we said was 45. Now again, if you want to go ahead and determine what our center and our radius is, our center is going to be at the point 3, comma 12, and my radius would be equal to not 45, but the square root of 45, because that's an imperfect square. And so that would be how we determine the equation of a circle when given two endpoints that form a diameter.